my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini's Show Recipes Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make lentil soup. I can say this, I can call this lentil soup because it's like a soup. It's watery and also I'm adding lots of vegetables, and at end of the dish I'm going to add some coconut milk. But if you don't like coconut milk, you can substitute with any other milk, or if you don't like milk at all, you just can go with water and finish it. So let's see how I'm doing this. And also you can use this dish with you can toast some bread and you can dip your bread in this, or naan bread, or however you like, or also with rice you can have this. Let's see how I'm doing this. Here we go. This is my ingredients. I will list everything in the description box. So I'm taking 1.5 cups of lentil and I'm going to soak it for an hour. Actually, you don't have to soak it. This lentil will cook very fast, but I'm just going to soak it. Then we'll wash it thoroughly and boil it until it's really cooked well. We are going to boil this lentil. So in the meantime, I'm going to prepare my vegetables for the curry. So add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add all my spices here. So again, all these spices will be listed in the description box. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add my onion, garlic, and some curry leaves. If you don't have curry leaves, don't worry. Later we are going to add some coriander in this dish. So let it fry until it gets slightly brown. Now I'm adding my vegetables. You can see it's there's squash, eggplant, carrot, and tomato. Oh, sorry, carrot and potato. So let it fry in the oil for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are going to add our chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. So chili, just as however you like. I add around 1 tablespoon of chili powder. If you think it's too much, then you can add less. So then let this chili powder and all this curry powder, everything to get fried in the oil with the vegetables for around 5 to 6 minutes. Then we'll add 2 cups of water and boil it nicely. Let all this potato, squash, eggplant, everything to get cooked well. So you can see it's now really cooked very well now. So I'm going to add my lentil here, boiled lentil, and mix it. However, how much I say about the chili and everything, it's always up to you to adjust it according to your taste. And I'm adding my tomato here. If you have tamarind, please add some tamarind, around 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice. If you don't have tamarind juice, no worries, you always can add some lemon juice, around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And add salt to your taste. And also now I'm adding my coconut milk, around 2 cups of coconut milk. If you don't like coconut milk, you can substitute with any other milk, or you just can go ahead with water and just finish it like that. And so now I will let it boil for 5 minutes nicely. And now I'm going to add some onion flakes here. It gives nice aroma again to this dish. And also some coriander leaves. And let it cook for another 2-3 minutes, and this is delicious lentil soup. So please give it a try. Let me know your feedback till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody. This is really delicious. You have to give a try. You can eat with any bread, naan bread, or however you like. Bye bye to everybody.